Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Eventbrite app is and how it's positioned. Eventbrite is a mobile platform designed to help people discover local events, book tickets, and manage event attendance from their smartphones. The service is part of the Eventbrite platform, a global event marketplace founded in 2006 that allows organizers to create, promote, and sell tickets for events. According to official App Store descriptions, the app allows users to browse events such as concerts, workshops, festivals, classes, and community activities happening nearby. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Based on official documentation, users can search for events using filters like location, category, and date to find activities that match their interests. The app also includes a personalized discovery feed that recommends events based on user preferences and browsing activity. According to the official Eventbrite website, users can purchase tickets directly through the app and keep them stored digitally for easy access during the event. The platform also provides event details such as location, time, and additional information so attendees can prepare before arriving. Official descriptions mention that users can save events, share them with friends, or follow organizers to stay updated about future events. In addition to event discovery, Eventbrite also supports event creators by providing tools to publish events, manage ticket sales, and promote them to audiences through the platform. Because events are created by independent organizers, the types of experiences available on the app can vary widely depending on the user's location and the local event community. This app may be useful for people who want a single platform to find activities, buy tickets, and keep track of events they plan to attend. For users interested in discovering local experiences, attending live events, or managing event tickets from a phone, this could be an option to explore. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.